Hi, I'm Nick with Dorman Products. This is the original equipment camshaft phaser used in more than 4 million Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles since 2004, equipped with the 24-valve V8 engine. More than 1 in 3 of these will fail prematurely. In fact, the factory part has been revised at least 6 times since it was launched. The problem with the original design is interference between the rotor and the vane inside the phaser. Friction between these parts causes premature wear that results in a loss of oil pressure and performance. This is Dorman's patented OE FIX replacement for the same engine. It features a stronger alloy locking plate and an entirely redesigned rotor to address the wear issues. While the manufacturer was busy reworking its design and other aftermarket companies were simply replicating one version or another of the OE design, Dorman's cam phaser has become the industry standard replacement for this engine family. This is just another example of how Dorman is improving the aftermarket one part at a time. So remember, whenever you need quality replacement parts, you should always check Dorman first.